More than a century ago, in 1879, the world witnessed the start of a groundbreaking idea in the world of finance: the gold standard. People started to use paper currency as a new form of money, while an equal amount of gold remained stashed in the banks. But as they say, change is the only constant. In 1971, the USA banned the gold standard and started printing money without the actual value of gold backing it. It was named fiat currency. And since then, we have seen an exponential rise of inflation and a massive dip in the purchasing power of the dollar year after year. Fortunately, in 2008, the world witnessed yet another groundbreaking idea in the world of finance when Bitcoin came into existence and gave birth to a new generation of digital currencies. The initial goal of cryptocurrency, as opposed to fiat money, was to serve as a digital currency that has no government influence and is controlled by the users. However, somewhere along the way, this vision was hijacked. Cryptocurrency was no longer the people's currency, but a currency open for trading and speculation. A huge difference from its initial goal. People started seeing cryptocurrencies as a means of investment and a way to make money. Many of the speculators often ended up losing their investments and savings, as the current cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile. Companies have shied away from accepting cryptocurrencies for their products and services due to everyday crypto price fluctuations. A lack of stability scares away anyone looking to use cryptocurrency for its initial purpose. Cryptocurrency is not meant for making money. It is money. With this in mind, two visionaries, Niels Grossberg and Chris Ress, founded Dagcoin.
We started Dagcoin out of disappointment where the crypto industry was going. Speculation, hype, manipulation, and only trading. No usability, nothing about using cryptocurrency as money as it was meant to be. So we wanted to change that.
At Dagcoin, our goal is to solve the main challenges other cryptocurrencies have been unable to overcome. When we think of a perfect cryptocurrency, we think of a coin that would allow you to do everything you would do with regular money. Dagcoin is precisely that and more.
Dagcoin is definitely one of those cryptocurrencies that really focuses on usability, giving people access to digital and global money.
Almost all cryptocurrencies are built on the blockchain technology. While it's a very versatile technology with tons of applications, its basic structure makes it difficult to scale globally. That's why we've integrated a far more advanced technology, the DAG chain. It is a technology that's suitable for large communities as it's more scalable. With Dagcoin, you can enjoy access to near-instant transaction speeds, fixed and low transaction cost no matter the value of your transaction, safe and secure network, more freedom, fewer limitations. But that's not all.
All the payments in the future are going to be made with cryptocurrencies, and Dagcoin, I believe, will be one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies in the world.
Even today, after so much growth in the banking and financing industry, over 2 billion people around the globe still lack access to banking services, which puts them in a financially disadvantaged position.
Cryptocurrency shouldn't just be for the professional traders or cryptocurrency experts. It's meant to be used by ordinary people.
Our aim is to help those unconnected people in the world and give them the possibility to get access to a stable and growing financial market.
Every single person has to have access to money, and cryptocurrency is the perfect option.
We believe that the goal of cryptocurrency should be to be a step up from regular money. The stability of a usable cryptocurrency is directly linked to the number of its users. The more users there are, the more stable the price of the currency, and the lesser the fluctuations. This is why the value of DAG coin is not based on the trading of coins, but on real fundamental parameters, such as the number of people using it and the number of merchants accepting DAGs.
Cryptocurrency should not be treated as a financial instrument and used only for trading. Cryptocurrency is meant to be used as money, to buy goods and services and make transactions.
DAG coin is not on the traditional cryptocurrency exchanges and trading platforms because we want to build up the DAG coin cryptocurrency on the real fundamental values. This is how all the biggest fiat currencies were built up.
The more people and merchants use DAG coin, the greater the value of our coin. This approach leads to more stability and trust within the community, whilst keeping away the short-term players looking for a way to make money quickly.
We stand out amongst other cryptocurrency development companies because we are focusing on usability and creating value by developing the biggest ecosystem around cryptocurrency.
The DAG coin community is growing rapidly all around the world. Instead of creating a group of speculating traders who are chasing the price movements, we are building an educated community of supporters who understand the long-term vision and are passionate about the true value of cryptocurrencies, the reason why they were created, and how people worldwide can benefit.
The early adopters will benefit greatly from building up a community around DAG coin.
There are various ways of becoming a part of the DAG coin community, as worldwide awareness is created with the help of digital marketing, classical outdoor advertising, and network marketing. Thanks to this, more and more people are adopting DAG coin as a way of making transactions and benefiting whilst doing that. Cryptocurrency is a force set to revolutionize the financial world, and you can become a part of this undeniable change. To become a part of the revolution, contact the person who shared this video with you.